everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today we are here for revealing the teaser of Birla Trimaya Phase 3 launch, and it's an upcoming launch of Birla Group. And right now we are standing at the actual site of Birla Trimaya, and you can also look, there's a sales office right there. And you can also look around the neighborhood of the project so that it will give you a better view on how your neighborhood of the upcoming Phase 3 of Birla Trimaya would look like. So in this teaser, we will be telling you the project details, location, amenities, area, booking process, launch discounts and offers, and many more. Talking about the project overview, like I said, it is Phase 3 launch of Birla Trimaya by Birla Groups, and also it is spread across 52 acres of land parcel and also consisting of 2 basement G plus 12 to 13 residential floors consisting of 2, 3 and 3 BHK plus PWD along with 4 BHK villament and row houses. Come, let's have a look at the land parcel. As you can see here, this is the land parcel and this is the actual place in which the project will be launched or built. Talking about the location of this project, it is located at BK Halli Road, which is in Shettigere, that is Devanahalli, and which is located in the heart of North Bengaluru. And also talking about the nearest communities, we have airport which is just 10 minutes away, and we also have tech parks and upcoming metro station which is just 5 minutes away. So talking about the amenities, Trimaya has to offer you 60 plus luxury amenities which includes 75,000 square feet of clubhouse. Alongside, it also has to offer you swimming pool, vertical garden, gymnasium, multi-purpose courts and many more. Talking about the area, it has to offer you 2, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus PWD and 4 BHK villament and also row houses. Now let's understand the booking process. So if you want to book or if you are interested in this project, you can visit the site and our sales team will be available for you to give you a complete project overview along with floor plan, and also they'll be able to give you pricing and payment schema for this project. And if after all this you like this project, then you can book by paying the EOI token, and EOI token holders will have exclusive benefits and offers. So do not miss out to book this project earliest as possible to get the golden opportunities to avail this discount and also be located at the heart of North Bengaluru, Devanahalli. So for more details and project updates and also for such interesting teasers, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
So everyone, this was the teaser of Birla Trimaya Phase 3 located at BK Halli Road, Shettigere, North Bengaluru.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.